Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford and it's Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. A very wet and windy Wednesday here. We're moving into our new premises on Monday, December the 1st. And let me show you around, show you what the progress is. It's Wednesday now, so we've got the weekend to move and it's really exciting. So here we are. The name above the door says it all. Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and you are welcome to come in and see us. To the right will be showroom and to the left is workshop. Now whilst it's raining like hell, I'm going to be going inside. As you can see, not ready quite yet, but we are getting there. This is going to be the showroom and we've already started putting a few cars in here. It looks like a whole selection of 993s, but there's an awful lot more Porsche to go in. And our crew, our regular workshop crew and admin, they're all here making a difference. Plus we've got the contractor, James Brady and Sons down in Cornwall. They've done an absolutely superb job. Through this archway is access to the workshop and restoration, and above us here is the offices and administration. Workshop's coming on. 3 or 4 of the ramps are now operational, although we just got to clear things up and get them ready to work. Restoration operates through here, slightly more peaceful. We have an engine build room, and this is looking a lot better, I can see. Well, what I can see is that things are beginning to look more and more organised, and we're going to be in here on Monday, and perhaps bear with us a little bit over the weekend whilst we get properly operational and moving, and we're looking forward to seeing you and showing you our new premises where we'll be doing everything for Porsche as usual. Restoration, normal maintenance, sales with modern and classic, everything for Porsche we do here with a passion, and we've got a great crew that enjoy what they're doing and can look after you. Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford and it's wet.